Good evening, and welcome to Global Pulse News TV. I'm Samantha Newssby, and tonight we begin with a developing international health emergency unfolding aboard a luxury expedition cruise ship in the Atlantic Ocean. Authorities from around the world are now racing to evacuate passengers after a deadly hantavirus outbreak linked to the vessel known as the MV Hondius. Multiple deaths have already been reported, and health officials are now working urgently to track potentially exposed travelers across several countries. The outbreak reportedly began during an expedition voyage that traveled through parts of Antarctica and South America before heading toward the Canary Islands. The World Health Organization says at least 7 people aboard the ship were either confirmed or suspected to have contracted the dangerous virus. Tragically, 3 passengers have already died. Officials believe the strain involved is the rare Andes hantavirus, one of the few forms of hantavirus known to spread between humans through close contact. Tonight, governments across Europe and North America are preparing emergency evacuation flights. Countries including Germany, France, Belgium, Ireland, and the Netherlands are reportedly sending aircraft to retrieve citizens from the ship once it reaches the Canary Islands. The United States government is also preparing to evacuate American passengers and transport them to a federal quarantine facility in Nebraska for medical monitoring. Health officials say the evacuation operation must happen quickly before worsening weather conditions make the process even more difficult. One major concern tonight is the number of passengers who reportedly left the ship earlier in the voyage before the outbreak was fully understood. Health authorities say dozens of people may have already returned home to countries including the United States, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. In Switzerland, officials confirmed a passenger who had previously disembarked later tested positive after returning home. International health agencies are now conducting large-scale contact tracing operations in an effort to prevent additional infections. So what exactly is hantavirus? Hantavirus is a rare but potentially deadly disease usually spread through exposure to rodent urine, droppings, or saliva. Symptoms can begin like the flu, including fever, fatigue, and muscle aches before rapidly progressing to severe breathing problems in serious cases. Health experts stress that the general public risk remains low, and officials say this outbreak is not expected to become another COVID-style global pandemic. For now, passengers aboard the MV Hondius remain isolated as international medical teams prepare for one of the most closely watched evacuation efforts of the year. We will continue monitoring this developing story and bring you the latest updates as they happen. For Global Pulse News TV, I'm Samantha Newssby. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more breaking news and global updates.